Having trouble uploading files to Claude AI. Upload errors can happen because of unsupported file types, file size limits, browser issues, or temporary service interruptions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Claude AI upload errors in 2026, so let's get started. First, make sure your file is a supported format and doesn't exceed Claude's current upload limits. If necessary, reduce the file size or convert it to a supported format before uploading again. Large files or unsupported formats are common causes of upload failures. Next, verify that your internet connection is stable. A slow or interrupted connection can prevent files from uploading successfully. Refreshing the page after reconnecting may resolve the problem. If the upload still fails, refresh the page and sign in again if necessary. You can also clear your browser's cache and cookies or try another supported browser. Browser-related issues are often easy to fix. After refreshing the page, select the file again and wait for the upload to complete. Avoid closing the browser or switching tabs while the upload is in progress. Take a moment to let the upload finish before sending your prompt. If uploads continue to fail, the issue may be caused by a temporary service outage or maintenance. Check Claude's official status page for any reported problems. Waiting a few minutes before trying again may solve the issue. If you've tried all of these steps and uploads still aren't working, contact Claude support with details about the problem, including the file type, file size, and any error messages you received. So you've successfully learned how to troubleshoot Claude AI upload errors, and that's how to fix Claude AI upload errors. In most cases, checking your file format, verifying your internet connection, refreshing your browser, or waiting for a temporary service issue will resolve the problem. Following these troubleshooting steps can help you upload your files successfully and continue working without interruption. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.